Are the oxygen sensor electrical connectors refusing to budge from their housing? Are you stuck on the oxygen sensors because of this? Well then let me share a quick tip on how to get them out. This trick will also work on shift cables if you ever need it. Now for the removal part. Most importantly, if your oxygen sensor connectors are stuck, don't pry them out with a screwdriver, as we can see someone has already tried and done before. Use the trick, instead, that we learned from Ruslan's other video with shift cables, and grab them using pliers, and wiggle them out little by little. Just take one of these, get a good hold, wiggle it out. Oh man, that is already tough, even from a little bit. And it pops right out. It's much simpler and easier this way, and there's much less danger to the other components. Now, let's get to the disconnecting portion. On the larger, squarer connections, press out on the tab towards the back of the connector, so that the tab presses back away. Ow. I might want to wear gloves because that hurt. On the right hand side, it goes on like this. Put your fingernail on this, on the square thing here. Push down with your fingernail and pull it out. It'll only go back in one way. So the other ones too, like so. Push down with your thumb, pull, and pop right out. And that's how you disconnect your oxygen sensors.